Hey, creative wizards. Welcome back to Season Pickersz. Today, we've got a quick guide that's going to save you from those "oops, I didn't mean to do that" moments in Photoshop. We're diving into the magical world of Undo and the History panel. Buckle up for a smoother editing journey. Let's start with the basics. Did you know that a simple key command can be your superhero? Press Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+Z on Mac to undo your last action. It's like a time machine for your edits. Quick, easy, and oh so useful. But what if you overshoot and want to step forward? That's where Ctrl+Shift+Z on Windows or Command+Shift+Z on Mac comes in handy. It's like hitting the Redo button, allowing you to step forward through your undo history. So, you've mastered the art of undoing changes. But what if you want to see the entire journey? Welcome to the History panel, your time travel control center. If it's not open, go to Window a History to unveil this powerful feature. Now, let's navigate through time. Click on any state in the History panel, and voila! You're back at that point in your editing adventure. It's like having bookmarks in a book but for your edits. But what if you want to mark a specific moment? That's where the snapshot feature shines. Click the little camera icon at the bottom of the History panel to create a snapshot of your masterpiece at a specific point. A snapshot is like a checkpoint in your editing journey. Need to revisit that exact moment? Snap! You're there. And there you have it, your quick guide to undo and history in Photoshop. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more Photoshop wisdom, and hit that bell for notifications. Thanks for tuning in to Season Pickersz. Until next time, keep creating, keep editing, and I'll catch you in the next video.